If you are looking for a smart way to organize everything related to your team, the Employees app in Odoo is the ideal solution for managing data in a structured and smooth way. Once you open the Employees list, the main screen appears, showing all employee profiles across the organization. When you open any employee profile, such as Abigail Peterson, the system displays a complete interface with detailed information. Starting from basic contact details, salary, and contract information, all the way to work environment settings. The best part here is the interactive organizational chart built directly into the employee profile. It clearly shows the job hierarchy and who the employee reports to. In addition, the smart buttons at the top save time and effort by giving you instant access to documents, time off, daily work planning, and the full employee history inside the company.